we want to make sure that when it is launched, it's a success. So we have to really make sure that there is no hiccup, no problem in the handling of this digital currency. Number one. Number two, we need the support of the European Parliament, which has to vote a piece of legislation to actually establish the digital euro. We should be technically ready ourselves in October this year. Yeah, and we would be ready to launch for a 2 years pilot to make sure that everything works fine. Then we can launch across the euro area.
Breaking digital euro news right now. Yes, everyone. Christine Lagarde, the president of the European Central Bank, just confirmed that the digital euro will be technically ready this year in October of 2025. And the digital euro will be using Ripple XRP, Hedera HBAR, Quant QNT, and XLM. Yes, everyone, the digital euro will literally be technically ready on the back end. Everything will be designed and prepared by the European Parliament, and the digital euro will be ready this year to be rolled out in a pilot phase for 2 years. And they will test it. They will use the digital euro. They will literally roll it out this year in October 2025. If it is approved by the European Parliament, then it will go into a pilot phase this year in October 2025 for 2 years until 2027, and then it will be officially rolled out all over the euro area. Everyone, this is breaking news. According to the president of the ECB right now, has confirmed that the digital euro is coming in the next few months. October is literally just a few months away from now. Now, why do I say that the digital euro will be using cryptocurrencies like XRP, HBAR, QNT, and XLM? Why do I say that, right? Because these cryptocurrencies right here, all of these cryptos will be used by the digital euro, and the digital euro will use the blockchain because the Digital Euro Association, this association right here, is in charge of spearheading development efforts for the digital euro. As you can tell right here, a public CBDC digital euro and a private euro stablecoin digital euro. And this is important to XRP and Hedera HBAR because they're both founding members of this Digital Euro Association right here. As you can tell, the Digital Euro Association is working with the digital euro right now. And also, just a few hours ago, the Bank of International Settlements right here, as you can tell, BIS, central banker speech. They say how the euro system has committed to providing market participants with a wholesale central bank digital currency by 2026. Everyone, by next year, in the next few months, a wholesale CBDC digital euro will be launched, according to the Central Bank of France and the Bank of International Settlements. And it says right here that I am firmly convinced that the French ecosystem has a real card to play in developing high added use cases. And I would like to conclude by saying that for crypto assets, as well as other assets, the new U.S. administration's economic and financial policy course risks creating multiple setbacks. So, despite the probable turbulence, now is the time for Europeans to take their destiny into their own hands. So a European wholesale CBDC will be launched and is very important to the viability of the European economy. According to this report right here, now is the time for Europeans to take their destiny into their own hands. So this is a big deal, everyone. This literally confirms that the digital euro, a wholesale and a retail, because remember, the Digital Euro Association is working on 2 different types of digital euros, a wholesale and a private, a public and a private. So there are 2 different types that the public will use, like normal people like you and I, and then wholesale CBDCs for banks, for fintechs, for governments, for corporations. They will use a wholesale CBDC. So there are 2 different types, and they are both coming now in the next few months, everyone. Literally confirmed by Christine Lagarde, the president of the ECB, is literally confirmed. It's official. It's coming. very soon in the next few months, and the digital euro will be using cryptocurrencies like XRP, HBAR, QNT, and XLM. Yes, all of these cryptocurrencies and more will be used in the digital euro. So on this channel, we made so many different types of videos about the ECB, the European Central Bank, and the digital euro, how it's all connected to cryptocurrency and how they're using DLTs on the back end. Blockchain technologies is going to power the digital euro. We made so many videos about that on this channel. So thank you all for subscribing. Make sure you join us right now on YouTube, on X as well, and TikTok for more types of videos. We are on all of these channels. The links will be down below. But here's a final video of Christine Lagarde, the president of the ECB, speaking about the digital euro and how it is coming. Listen to this.
The digital euro is on the move. Yesterday, the Governing Council of the ECB approved the opening of the preparation phase. It will be a journey, and we will walk the journey together with the legislator. All European institutions will be involved to make sure that Europe is equipped with the currency of the future. Cash is here to stay. You will have all options, cash and digital cash.
Yep.
So what does it mean for you? For consumers, it will be free and easy to use everywhere in the euro area. All of that, of course, is subject to the legislative process. Cash or digital, the choice will be yours.
Your euro, your choice. Christine Lagarde, president of the ECB, has confirmed it is coming. The digital euro, everyone, is coming very soon, and all major financial institutions are going to be using it in the euro area. Everyone, every single one of you, if you live in Spain, France, Italy, you name it, whatever country, Germany, whatever country in Europe, you will use the digital euro. Your life will change tremendously in the next few years. Everything is going digital. Everything is going to be powered by the blockchain. And even if you don't live in Europe, this just means that the rest of the world will follow suit. So the digital euro is the first step, and then the digital dollar, and then the digital pound, and then the digital whatever. The digital everything is going to be digital. All currencies are going to be digital. They will all be using blockchain technologies like XRP, HBAR, QNT, and XLM. Literally, big changes are coming now in the next few weeks and months. So I will keep you all updated every single day. Yes, whenever I hear something new about the digital euro, I try to make a video for all of you because this is important. This is very important. This will literally affect everything in the euro area, the way you send money, the way you make money, the way you transfer money, the way you use money. And this will literally change everything in the European Union. So right now, share this video with everyone you know, tap the like button, comment, subscribe, join us. I love you all, and I will see you very soon. Until next time, Crypto AI Man.